If you guys don't already know, crypto is taking the biggest shit that it's taken in literally the last 3 or 4 months. Now, what does this mean for crypto? Well, first of all, it's very scary because Solana is at like $165. Bitcoin is back under 100K. Render is like down 70%. It's at like $3. Doge is at like 20 cents. It looks like we're completely cooked and we're over with. But I don't think that's what's happening here. I think that something great is gonna come out of this, because whenever there's this much FUD in the market and this much doom, something always great comes out of it. Now, what does it mean when I keep saying this? The market can only take so much blood. Whenever crypto keeps going lower and lower and lower every single day, it's just a matter of time until we hit a reverse and start going in the opposite direction. Now, yeah, part of this is just me hoping this happens. Of course I do. I have so much money in Solana, and yeah, I was holding it at 295 at this season's all-time high, and I didn't sell a penny. Should I have? Yeah, I probably should have. Am I mad at myself for it? Kinda, yeah. It's hindsight. Like, I was almost up another 2x than it is right now, but it's just another learning lesson. But the thing is if we see a recovery in the markets, like with major coins, and Bitcoin goes back past 100K and Solana goes back above 200 and even up to 250 and even towards all-time highs, like, I'm not talking about coins just performing well like they were before. I'm talking about the most euphoric stage meme coins have ever experienced. Like 100 coins migrating a day, like 10 plus coins going to $1 billion market cap in a week. Now, I know that sounds insanely impossible, but it really could happen. With the crypto markets, you never ever know. Like, again, this is just me hoping that we recover and have a huge another splurge towards the top, but it is possible if we just keep going lower and lower and lower, and we don't stop until 2 years from now when Solana is back to $20 and Bitcoin's at 50K. Like, all of this is a possibility, but the more I look into everything regarding this bearish market that we're in right now, it looks like something good wants to happen out of it. So the reason why I'm making this video is because instead of just waiting for the markets to recover, I think it's a good idea to start learning how to properly trade meme coins right now, because once the markets do recover, this shit is going to be insane. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can start trading meme coins right now, even in the slow markets, because there is still coins that are running every single day. It's not like we're completely done. It's just very, very slow compared to how it was a few weeks ago. And if you guys didn't know, I did launch a Discord community, and we're actually doing a lot of trading in there right now. It's been pretty good. I just launched it a few days ago. We already have like 500 members, and I'm trying to grow it as much as possible right now, because once we do recover, that shit is going to be popping. Right now, a lot of the talking is happening in the free section, so it's perfect for you. You can join for free, get in on the action, and then as soon as we're back, holy shit, is that group gonna print money. So join right now before all of the action happens in the VIP, and you can join by getting the link in the description. And let's go jump into my computer so I can teach you guys how you can get ready to find the next 100x meme coin. All right, guys, so before we actually go ahead and jump into my computer right here and start going over how to trade meme coins, I have a pretty exciting update for you guys. So Solana is sitting at 176 right now. That is so good. It's insane to say that that's good because it's terrible, but it was just at 160. Yes, 160 a few days ago. Even yesterday it was at like 164. So we're making progress again, and meme coins are getting a little bit more hot. Right now there's a runner that just went to 2.5 mil that I'm about to show you when we launch my computer, but this is good signs. I think we're seeing some nice signs here, and we could be going back up here pretty shortly. So you're watching this video at the perfect time, literally, because if we do hit the top again, oh boy, is there going to be a lot of money to be made. All right, guys, so this coin right here is currently at 2.4 mil. It touched almost 3 million market cap. It was launched 22 minutes ago. When a coin is launched 22 minutes ago and it almost runs to 3 million, this is an insane sign that the markets are hot, which exactly is what we want. So we can see it's called Doge Father, and if we search on Twitter, we will see that it's some shit about Elon. It's just something that happened. I think he had a meeting, and then he said something like, I'm Doge's father, or some shit like that. Let's go on his actual Twitter and let's see what he said. Here we go. Elon Musk wore the same outfit he promised to wear last year if President Trump won and Doge started operating. He looks super cool with glass and gold chain around his neck. So this is simply just another post of him showing how bullish he is about Doge. There's some people and rumors that say that he has huge ownership in Doge, or that he even is the founder, which is very unlikely, but this is just another post of him being super bullish on Doge. So the meme is big. Oh, here it is too. I didn't even see this. So we just scrolled down a little bit more and we could see this is a real picture, the Doge father. Oh, okay, I see. All right, that makes sense. So Elon tweeted, "I'm Dogefather," and then Dogefather runs to 3 mil. It's about to hit 3 mil again. This shit was a cook. I didn't see it because I was away from my computer, but I do have a built-in Twitter tracker on my Discord community that probably caught the tweet as soon as it posted. And if you would have saw this tweet in my Discord, you could have saw this coin, bought in around 100K market cap and 20x'd it. So stuff like this is why having an accurate real-time Twitter tracker is super important, like the one in my Discord. But this is great news, guys. Look at that, 2.9 mil. It wants 3 mil so bad. I'm not in it, so I don't really care, but this is a good sign showing strength in the markets. Oh, 3 mil, there we go. I know you guys saw that. I just touched 3 mil. Gosh, we might be back here. Oh my gosh, the shit is running. Look at the volume. 200K in 5 minutes, in an hour, 2.5 mil. This is such a good sign, guys. But if you guys are curious, this is BullX. This is the platform that we're gonna use to trade. I'm gonna show you a little bit more step by step on how to actually do this, but I did say I wanna pull up this coin right away because this is a big signal showing the market's current strength. But BullX is the best trading platform. As you guys can see, it's such a clean interface. There were some other platforms that recently came out that completely copied BullX's look because it's just that good. But the thing about it is that there's a 3-year wait list with over 5 million people waiting to get accepted to actually trade with BullX. But luckily, BullX got me a special link that I can include in my video, so you guys can go and get in the description, sign up via Telegram, so that way you guys could skip the waiting list and start instantly trading. And then if you're truly a beginner and you don't have any Solana, you're gonna have to go to Coinbase and buy some and then transfer it into your BullX wallet, or you can go ahead and just create a Phantom wallet and buy some Solana with MoonPay, and then you can just transfer the Solana directly from your Phantom into your BullX wallet. Now, if you're curious on where the wallet address is, just hover over here to Wallet Manager, and then you're gonna wanna create a wallet on BullX, and then you're gonna wanna add funds, and then copy this address, and this is where you're gonna send the money from either Coinbase or your Phantom to. And then once you have the Solana in your BullX, it's gonna pop up something like this, and then you're ready to start trading. And as you guys can see as well right here, a ton of coins have actually hit raydium today and are looking pretty good, like 500K market cap, 500K, 200K, 300K, 600K, 300K, and then the one that I just showed you went to 3 mil. Oh my gosh. Wait, there's another Dogefather that went to 38 mil. Oh, it's a scam. Whenever there's this huge buy right here that literally took it from 40K market cap to 30 million, it's completely a scam. Like someone's gonna rug pull this any second. I would never ever buy this. This shit is completely a scam because of that huge buy right there. I would just stick to the original one, the one that launched first, which is this one right here. This is the OG, this is the real chart, and this is the one that should be traded. It's at 4 fucking mil now. Oh my gosh. If we bought it when I first saw it, I just saw it at 1.9 before I started filming. That was already a 2x just like that. That is crazy, holy shit. But we can see that there's some good coins right here. Grok, this is the Twitter AI software built into X that Elon made, and this is almost at 500 mil market cap. I personally know some people that made a lot of money on this. Again, I was away from my computer, I was doing stuff this morning, so the markets actually were good today and I missed out on it. But it's all good because there's gonna be many plays, so it doesn't even matter. But this was a huge play. There was actually a ton of different coins about the Twitter AI called Grok, and a lot of them actually did really well because there's really still no official one yet. So people keep just betting that the ones that come out are the real ones, and you're usually not. But if you buy early and sell early, you're gonna make some good X's on them. Although if you're watching this and there's still coins about Grok coming out, I would not recommend to buy any of them because that narrative is just super played out, because I'm gonna post this video in probably like 4 or 5 days after filming it right now. But yeah, guys, so the markets are looking a little bit better here. There were some good runners today. This coin right here was called out on my Discord at 135K market cap. As you can see, it went all the way to 215K, but I didn't sell because I didn't want to sell for a 2x. I actually had a limit sell at 257K market cap for 75% of my position to sell, and then I was just gonna ride the rest. It's very little money. Like I literally put $17 into this because I want to trade realistically with my Discord community. So I'm not going to trade with 10 SOL. I'm going to trade with like 0.1 to 1 SOL max to see how high I can get my balance and to keep it very relatable with you guys. So as you can see though, I was almost 2x right here. I was up like 57-60%, which is not bad. I was up like 13 bucks. If I put in 1 SOL, I would have been up like 150. But again, I'm trading really low on this account. So if you guys want to get good plays like this, because this still was a good play, even though it's under my buying price and I'm currently down, I could have sold many times here for profit. But again, I have my settings right here and I stick by those. So I'm going to hold this for a few more days if I have to. But you guys do know where to get these good plays at. So I've been sitting here for a couple minutes doing some research, trying to see if there's some more coins that are coming out right now that are hot. And it seems like a lot of them aren't even worth buying, which is kind of a bad sign. But the Doge father kind of just took over the market right now, it seems like. Like there's another one that's about to bond. There's like literally 3 right here. But that's okay because at least one big meme did really good and it's showing a lot of strength because there's so many different versions of it. I'm not gonna really go in depth on this video on how to actually trade because I have so many tutorials that I've made in the last like 2 weeks that you guys can go watch on my channel. But I just wanted to give you a little update about the market and give you my thoughts and my opinion on where we're at. And it still might be best right now to just learn more and more and more and watch my previous videos where I explain what a good coin looks like, because I can't really give you a live representation right now because there is not a lot of good coins that are launching. So I would highly recommend to either watch my videos where I show you what a good coin looks like, how to do research on them, how to see if anyone on Twitter is talking about them, checking their website, Telegram, all that good stuff, checking the holders, all this stuff that's very important to determine if it's a good buy or not. And you can even watch other YouTubers as well. There's some very, very good content on YouTube where you can literally just learn as the market is slow and maybe heating up a bit. So whenever we're actually hot as fuck, you're ready to start deploying some Solana. So take it easy. Don't just ape and buy everything you see because a lot of it is garbage and a lot of it is gonna go right to zero. But if you guys do want some good calls, I highly recommend joining my Discord because that's where we're doing deep scanning and finding the best coins to buy during a slow market like this. Because no matter what, there's gonna be runners every single day. It's just the matter of finding them or not. You can't really just sit here on BullX and hold out your hand and have all these gems just drop into your hands anymore like you used to be able to. You kind of have to do some deep digging and find these coins that are maybe even a few days old that are about to run. And that's exactly what we do in the Discord community. So I would highly recommend to sit and study for a bit and just do yourself the favor of staying safe when the market is slow right now. Maybe save up a couple $100 so you can deposit that Solana into your BullX and you can trade when we are hot. Guys, honestly, I was hoping I can make this video a little bit more informative and a little bit more step-by-step on showing you how to find the next 100x, but the markets just aren't really hot enough for that. But that's good because I have some other videos that I've made when the market was at its top, and there's a lot of knowledge there where you can see exactly what to do so that when the market is hot, you're going to be ready. And if any more big news comes out or there's any change in the market, and even if later on today or tomorrow we start heating up again, I'm going to pick up the camera, film, and drop a new video so I can share all the recent news with you so you guys can stay up to date on the meme coin culture. But until next video, boys.